Hello and welcome to Affinity. Today we're on a rescue mission. We can't do much to rescue this poor sheep who seems a bit stuck, but maybe we can rescue the rest of the picture, which is just a little bit flat. And the classic way to do this is to go in with the curves. Here we go, and bring this up and go for the old S curve. So we do that by pulling up the top and pulling down the bottom. So we go, bit of an S. In fact, often we'll do a lighter one than this, but go up as much as you need to do to improve it. However, the problem is when we do this, the darkening, the darkening is kind of good, brings that contrast here, but we're making the lights just a little bit too light. So these areas here on the sheep are just jumping out too much. So what we can do is a bottom heavy S. And the bottom heavy S is you leave a bit in the top here, but then we make the bottom a lot lumpier. And we can do this when the lights are generally pretty light already. We can maybe put a little bit of more life into them, but not too much. You don't overdo it. So this looks a bit more natural, jumps out, and we can really whack down the corners here to make the contrast across here a lot more. So there we go, it's the bottom heavy S when you need to bring out the blacks to add contrast, but don't really need to do that much to the lights. Thank you very much for watching.